guys, welcome back to another video. Still on that quarantine life, you know. Today I think today's day 4. Yeah, day 4. So 10 days to go until I'm free to go back into society and go back to work and do other stuff like that. But on today's video, I am going to be looking at the Gimbal God LUT pack. A couple things. One, if you don't know who Gimbal God is, obviously I'll show some clips here and there, but he honestly has like changed the game when it comes to how snowboarding is filmed, especially in the follow cam world. He's honestly put a GoPro in places where not many other people can put a GoPro, so big fan of him. And then a LUT, which I just googled, which actually stands for a lookup table, is pretty much like pre-settings for editing your videos, so they're going to color grade it and make it look a lot nicer. So yeah, today we're just going to have a quick look at some of the clips that I have filmed over the last couple of years. Obviously I was super excited to use this new LUT pack when I was in Canada, but obviously that didn't go to plan, and come back home and I couldn't film any snowboarding at all. So I've gone through my archives and I've grabbed some different clips with different versions of LUT, so you can see the different settings and different LUT packs that he has to offer. I don't have anything for like he has sunrise and like sunset or something like that, and I've just never shot at that time of day, so I don't have anything for that. But we are going to be looking at Bluebird, mixed light, Greybird, and Greybird Bright, which I personally think are the most common types of exposure that a normal person who is filming snowboarding will come across. And now obviously these can be used in any type of video and any like filming. Like, it doesn't have to be purely with a GoPro, but they do work really well with GoPros. And yeah, so we're just gonna have a quick look at them. I don't know, I thought it'd be a fun video to make, seeing as I am stuck inside my house, and yeah, it is super fun, and it's really great for me because I'm enjoying going back through my footage and then having someone who is really good at editing just pretty much give me the copy and paste cheat to make my footage look better. So yeah, but without anything else to do, let's have a look at some of these clips.
was nice.
I just want to finish off by saying that to get the best out of these LUTs, I do personally believe you do need to be using your GoPro, or you need to be shooting with your video or whatever camera you're using in a raw format and shooting in a flat format, as in like the color grade, because then obviously these LUTs will work best then. And I do highly recommend, if you are someone out there who does like filming snowboarding, that you do just purchase the tutorial pack as well, where he does go through extremely in depth on how he does everything. And I've actually learned a lot from it, surprisingly. And there was just like little things that he does, which obviously makes his work stand out a lot more, that you can either choose to incorporate yourself or just appreciate the work ethic that goes behind in what he does. So yeah, I definitely do recommend buying the tutorial pack as well, because you will learn a lot of things, and I'm just super thankful for him for making this. But yeah, besides that, I guess, hope everyone's doing well. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bit of a different type of one, I guess, but I'm just super keen for the Australian winter to roll around, and I really hope that this whole COVID-19 thing is completely blown out and just doesn't affect the Australian season, because it's been like 10 months now since the last time I've snowboarded, and the fact that I traveled all the way to Canada and was like 30 minutes from a resort and then they all just closed. It was just so irritating. I might even try use some of these LUTs on like some of the mountain biking footage and see how that turns out. But yeah, so hope everyone's doing well. If you like this one, be sure to like it. Definitely go give GIMBAL God a follow, even though I have a very small following on this YouTube channel. If you don't know who he is and you enjoy action sports, I can guarantee you'll enjoy the stuff that he creates. But besides that, hope you like it. Subscribe if you're new. Be sure to look after yourself and your family and friends at the moment. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.